In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add custom fonts in WordPress step by step, even if you're a complete beginner. Custom fonts can instantly improve the look of your website, make your brand stand out, and give your pages a more professional feel. The best part is that we'll be using WordPress's built-in font library with Google Fonts, so there's no coding required at all. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future WordPress tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, go ahead and log into your WordPress website and head to your dashboard. This is the main control center of your site, where you manage pages, themes, plugins, and overall appearance. Once you're inside the dashboard, take a look at the menu on the left-hand side. From here, click on Pages. This step isn't about editing a page yet, but it helps confirm that you're logged in correctly and working inside your WordPress admin area. Next, in that same left-hand menu, scroll down and hover over Appearance. When the submenu opens, click on Fonts. This section is part of WordPress's font library and allows you to manage and install fonts that can be used across your website. If this is your first time here, you may notice that there are no custom fonts installed yet, and that's completely normal. Now, inside the font section, look for the option that says Install Fonts and click on it. This is where WordPress allows you to connect external font sources and bring new fonts into your site. After clicking Install Fonts, you'll see an option to connect to Google Fonts. Go ahead and click on that option. At this point, WordPress will ask for permission to access Google Fonts. This step is important because it allows your site to pull fonts directly from Google's font library. Click on Allow Access to Google Fonts to continue. Once access is granted, you'll be taken back to the font library where Google Fonts is now connected to your WordPress site. Now comes the fun part. Click on Google Fonts and you'll be able to browse through hundreds of free, high-quality fonts. You can search for specific font names, preview how they look, and choose the ones that best match your website style. After selecting a font, you can install it and then apply it to headings, body text, or other elements depending on your theme's customization options. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to add custom fonts in WordPress using Google Fonts. With just a few clicks, you can completely change the look and feel of your website and create a more unique design for your brand. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with anyone who's building a WordPress site. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.